We got a fun snowstorm, and the horses were playing so hard earlier that I think Chico's blanket's kind of coming off, so let's see if we can get him to come in. Snowplow. Chico, we gotta fix your blanket. Hang on, guys. We gotta fix your blanket, buddy. Get. Hold up. Wait a minute. Good job, friends. Everybody chill. Everybody chill. And we're chilling. Oh, Chico Bum Bum. Baby, I gotta fix your blankie. The cold air makes him crazy. Makes him crazy, I tell you. All right, baby boy. Let's fix that blanket. You cute little nugget. What have you done? You ladies need to chill. Hey, Goosey. Tell them to calm down, Goosey. Go on. Tell them to calm down. It's just a snow plow. Denali, chill. Hey, sweetheart. Hi, angel boy. Can I fix your blanket? So you can run better? Good boy. Thank you, baby. Good boy. You guys want some snackies? Come on, let's get snackies. Come on. Let's get snackies. I almost fell. You almost fell too. All right, come on. Come on, let's get snackies. Come on, guys. Come on. All right. We are having lunch, folks.